The life of a crocodile is one of the most fascinating stories in the animal kingdom. From the moment they hatch to their powerful dominance in the wild, crocodiles have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Join us as we explore the life of a crocodile. Our story begins in the heart of a lush rainforest. A crocodile hatchling emerges from its egg, vulnerable and alone. As we watch the baby crocodile crawl towards the water, we see the first challenge it must overcome in order to survive. Once in the water, the young crocodile learns to hunt and avoid danger, honing its skills in a world where every moment could be its last. As the crocodile grows, it becomes one of the most fearsome predators in the water. With a powerful tail and razor-sharp teeth, it can take down prey much larger than itself. We follow the crocodile as it navigates the complex social hierarchy of its group, competing for food and territory with its fellow crocodiles. Through these struggles, the crocodile grows stronger and more dominant until it becomes the ruler of its domain. In the final act, we see the crocodile in its prime, a true master of its environment. With age, the crocodile's dominance fades, but its legacy lives on. As we watch the crocodile reproduce and pass on its genes to a new generation, we see the continuation of a species that has survived for millions of years. The life of a crocodile is a story of survival, adaptation, and dominance. From its humble beginnings to its powerful presence in the wild, the crocodile is a symbol of the resilience of life on Earth. By understanding this fascinating creature, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of the natural world and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.